So this is the first time I have ever stayed at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. So we're in Ontario right now, just Ontario, California. So I'm gonna check out this room really quickly. So on our right here is the back room. Look at these countertops. It feels like quartz at least. So there's one sink, and then if you go more forward, that sink was on your right. We have a toilet on the right as well. On top here, somewhere, or right here, is all of the towels and stuff. It's nice. And then on the left here is your shower. Pretty nice walk-in shower. The handle's nice because it's right here, so you don't have to, where is it? Over here. It's right here, so therefore you don't have to go in and get wet and be cold when you turn it on, which is pretty nice that you can turn it on out here. All right, and then let's check out the room. So, before we check out the room, on our right-hand side here, this is where you can find the fridge. Fridge opens up this way. Fridge opens up this way. And then we have coffee maker with the ice bucket right there with a microwave on top here. There we go. Pretty small microwave, but it's pretty nice. Is this in Braille? No. I thought it was in Braille. Anyhow, all right. And then on the right hand side here, we're venturing more into the room. Over here is a little closet with an ironing board. Pretty nice. So this is on the right hand side. On the left hand side here is the way you put your luggage. There's a little spot here with some drawers. And then we have a desk here. On top is the TV, pretty nice. And then on the right hand side is this big king size bed with a nightstand on each side. These nightstands are really short. I didn't expect that. And then there's drawers. Oh, I think I found the Bible. Anyhow, so nice drawers. And then we have my view. Check out this view. Oh wait, it's open? Wow! Right here. There we go. There we go. Check out my view. Just kidding. This is actually one of those things that you can actually bring up and down. But it's kind of cool, huh? I think it has some trees and stuff, someone told me. Window AC, it's not that loud of a window AC, which is pretty nice. Some of them can be really loud, so it could be very annoying. But in terms of view, we have a view of the parking lot. I didn't do it. I didn't break it. Maybe I did. But yeah, first time staying at Fairfield Inn. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Comment down below if you think you would ever stay here, and let me know.